Welcome to Envision Widgets tutorial. A widget is a graphical component that can be used to build a human-machine interface. Widgets can show text, images, or manage input from the user. Envision integrates a what you see, what you get editor to create and configure the widgets. An HMI project is organized in pages. You can create a user interface by creating different pages and moving through them. The first page to be loaded can be selected by right-clicking on it and selecting Set as First Page, and will be identified with a gnome symbol. When you create a project, a sample page is created and set as the first page. To create a new page, right-click on Pages node and select New. Enter the page name. Page name will be used to refer to this page in the rest of the project and shall be unique. Now we will create two buttons to move between pages. Select New button on page ready. Double-click on it to open a callback editor. Envision uses a language based on the structured text syntax. We will see about it in detail in the next video. For now, we will just add an action to be performed when the button is pressed. You can use the autocompletion with the shortcut Ctrl+. All these pages are standard pages automatically created to show database data or perform most used operations, like language change or date time settings. Start typing to filter suggestions. Then click Enter to autocomplete. Let's add a label to the button. Let's stop for a moment to analyze the user interface. You have on the left a list of the widgets present on this page. Then in the center you have the what you see, what you get interface, where you can drag and drop widgets. Then on the right you have a list of properties of the actually selected widget. We can now change, for example, the size of the text of the button. Now we can add a label to the page. To add a static text label, select New Text. Now we can copy the widget from the first page to the second one. You can link a button to physical key by selecting the corresponding position code. To see the code table for each model, refer to the online manual Appendix A. You can access it by clicking on Envision, Help, Guide. If you want to print dynamically changing data, you can use a dynamic text widget. Once you have created it, double-click on it to open the code editor. To print or refresh a value, add a section named Timer and call the print function. You can use the autocompletion also here with the shortcut Ctrl+. We will choose a variable from the canvas we have created in the previous tutorials. Refresh time is defined by the timer property of the widget. You can now compile your project, create an update package, and finally download it to the display. That's all for the widgets tutorial. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.